All right, we made it to the third video, which is tangent and secant. Remember the difference between tangent and secant lines, and in this case segments, is that tangent only crosses the circle once, or touches, intercepts, and the secant only crosses the circle twice, okay? So when you have a problem where you have these two type of special segments, this is going to be the formula we use for this one. So get your colored pencil or marker or highlighter, whichever one you're using, and let's write the formula. So we're going to start with the tangent part of the circle, which is A. We're going to take the tangent part, A. Okay. So go ahead and highlight over that part, which is right here. And we're going to do A squared equals the outside times the whole. Okay, the outside times the whole. So for this one, it's going to be B is on the outside here. So that's this part of the segment. That's the outside, so highlight it. B times the whole thing. So as we saw before, when you do the whole thing, we got to add. We got to add the two parts. So it's B plus, what is the other part? The other part is C. B plus C. Okay. And if you want to write the shorter version of the formula or with words, highlight the C part. Then it's going to be tangent squared equals outside times the whole thing, which is on the other for the secant segment. Okay, so tangent squared equals the outside part of the secant segment times the whole thing together. So let's bring the formula down to the example and get it done. Okay, so here's the formula. And looking at your illustration, who is the tangent line here? It only crosses at once. Who is it? You got it? Who's tangent? The X is tangent. So take your color. This is the tangent. Who is the outside part of the secant segment? That's going to be 7 right here. That's the outside. And then the other part is 9. Okay. So let's go to our formula. The tangent is going to be X. So we follow our formula. That's X squared equals the outside of the secant, which is 7, times the whole thing. So 7 plus 9. Okay. And now we just do our math. So on this side, there's nothing to simplify. We can simplify 7 plus 9, which is 16. Okay. Keep going. What's 7 times 16? If you need a calculator, you can use a calculator, but I'll tell you it's 112. And looky here. Squared. How do you undo a squared? Do I remember? Square root it. Cancel it. I'll give you some good news. You don't have to simplify it. Just leave it like that. X equals the square root of 112. Okay. And that is it. That is how we apply the formulas for the 3 types of special segment relationships. And here are your examples. Make sure that you have it all filled in, that you used Colors, if there's anything that confused you, please go back and rewatch the videos. Your assignment for tomorrow is the this or that practice. So I'm just going to give you a heads up. You can start it now, but what you're doing is for number 1, you're either going to pick this problem or that problem. For number 2, you're going to pick this problem or that problem. Same for 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you do have to show all your work. And I'm going to create some short videos helping you set up some of these if you're still confused, okay? But I'm not going to do the whole problem. I'm just going to help you set it up. So be on the lookout for those tomorrow or today. I don't know yet. Anyway, have a great day.